Hi, in this video I'm going to do a very quick review of Aweber and specifically Aweber's new free plan. They offer 500 subscribers for free and around 3,000 emails. I've never used Aweber, so this will be my first time. It will be a fresh look at Aweber. See how the dashboard works and how everything works for the first time, and you'll be looking at it for the first time with me. I've used many other platforms, many other email platforms. I've heard of Aweber all my life, but I've never used it. So this will be a fresh look. Let's see how it looks. Okay. All right. So let's just create a new account, get Aweber free. Let's sign up. We're creating your account. That's pretty easy, straightforward. All right. Let's see our email. It asks us to create a password. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Now we choose free or pro. We're going to choose free for this one. It's for a maximum of 500 people. All right. I was under the impression it was 1,000. Let's see what we get with this. Free, we get list profiles 1, 3,000 emails per month, and 500 subscribers. Okay. No custom segments, no advanced reports, no click and open automation, no website tracking, no sales tracking, and no custom branding. All right, let's see how this works. All right, we just type in our details, our personal details. Okay, for now we have to put our current email. I suppose we have to set up the email settings first to change to our domain, custom domain email. And let's click next. All right, let's just name our list straight away. All right, this is a confirmation message for double opt-in, I suppose. Confirm your subscription. Usually for double opt-in, we cannot customize the subject line. We can request one, but this happens with most email autoresponders. We can edit the content. All right, so we could add or remove some parts here. So let's complete setup. All right, so now we are asked to add subscribers one at a time or import multiple subscribers. We can do both, or if we don't have a list, I guess we'll just skip this. So we'll always have this this option in the dashboard, build your list, and we can always start adding subscribers from here. There's the list right there. Dashboard seems pretty clean. Create an email, design an email using your website's brand. Okay. Connect an integration, of course, to start getting our emails. Start getting those subscriptions. Messages, drafts, broadcasts, split tests, campaigns, blog broadcasts, email template manager, subscribers, manage subscribers, add, import, history, sign up forms, landing pages. So let's see now how we can create a message. They have a drag and drop email builder or the plain text message. Let's check this one. I'm used to a drag and drop builder in GetResponse, so let's see how this works. Seems pretty easy. Hi, first name. I don't usually use first name. Let me see how we can personalize this. Usually we can add whatever we want. We can add an image here, just like any drag and drop builder. Could add a product, a video, sample title. All right, it's interesting. All right, let's save this. Okay, and we've got the message in drafts. It's perfectly fine. We could schedule this message to go out straight away. So I don't want to send this to anybody. This is how the message previews. Okay. So that's how to create a message, I guess. Now let's say I want to create autoresponders. I suppose we would have to come to campaigns. Get started with campaigns. Make your experience with email or automation easier. We'll create a starter campaign. I want to create my own. Let's create a campaign. Blank, import a campaign. Welcome series. All right. I went on welcome series. In this list, usually I use a very short welcome series. And here's how the campaign looks. We send a message, it waits, send another message, it waits another day, send another message. All right, in this case, I only have 2 contacts to add, so let's try this. I only have 2 messages to add, so let's try this like this. And how would I edit this? All right, so I guess we have to create an email first. We have to create a message first, I suppose, and then edit here, and then add it here. Okay, so let's save and exit this. I suppose it will save as a draft as well. Let's create a draft. So I want to create a message with the drag and drop builder. So here's how I had those campaigns, very simply. Just a couple of messages in as autoresponders going on day 0 and day 1 in my old autoresponder. Just to be clear, I'm not moving away from GetResponse. I'm just trying out Aweber and their new free plan. So let me just copy this message over. So this is the message I want to copy. All right. One good thing is that the link came hyperlinked already. Let's see if this is okay. See if I can add a logo, image, or logo. Can add a logo here. Click to edit. Image URL, upload an image. Right, so that's exactly how I had it before. Now I want to add a signature. All right, so I don't like the image. I'm going to just create another paragraph here as a signature. All right, I'd just like to know if this editor has a preview. There it is, preview and test. That's how it would look. Honestly, I don't like that as much as I liked my old style. So let's add a subject line here. This was the subject line I was using there. Okay, let's save and exit. Right, so this message is created. Create a new one. So I found the divider I was looking for. It's here. Right, so the subject line goes here. You can personalize it as well. I mean, feels a bit clunky, the editor, but I guess I'm used to a different style, so maybe that's why. But especially compared with the new GetResponse editor, it's still in the beta version, but I love it. It's really, really intuitive. This one is taking me a while to get adapted to it, but it's not bad. I mean, it works. Okay, so I've added my 2 messages as drafts, and I will try to add them to the campaign now and see if I can have this working as I had before. Let's go to this one. Welcome series, and here I want to select a different message. No. Oh, okay. So we can edit the message straight away inside the campaign editor as well, which I hadn't understood that before. What I want to do here is send a different message. So let me try it. Drag this one, send message, and choose message. Or we could create it straight away from here. All right. Anyway, I've already created them. This would be the first message I want to send. That's how it looks. Selected message is this one, preview, remove. And now I could choose a new one. And here's my second message. Okay, that's it. I think my campaign is it has been created. So now all I have to do is publish it, I guess. Activate. Okay, that's perfect. So anybody who subscribes to this list should receive these messages. Then we have the data here, the open percentage and click percentage. Seems fine. Messages are here. Seems quite easy actually to operate the campaign editor and create new campaigns and all of this. We have manage lists, integrations. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much Aweber. The first time I use it, it's very straightforward. I mean, the dashboard is quite intuitive. You can find everything really easily. The landing pages also seem nice. They seem very nice and good looking. I haven't tried to edit one or create one because this is just an overview of the platform. I will be creating videos with the landing pages and all of that. As for the free plan, which is what we are here to talk about specifically, so let's see what we can and we cannot do. We pretty much can create broadcast automations, we can create sign-up forms, landing pages. You can create lists, however, you can only create one list. You cannot have more than one list in the free plan. Now, one thing that I'm not really enjoying here is not the subscriber limit, because I mean, more than 500 subscribers, you should start paying for your email platform anyway. There are other platforms that give you much more than that. Mailchimp gives 2,000, Convertkit that gives 1,000 subscribers for free. Mailerlite gives 1,000 subscribers for free as well. What I like the least is the limitation of email sending per month. So let's say we have 500 subscribers, we can only send 6 emails per month to all 500 subscribers. I mean, it's really not enough for any kind of list managing, in my opinion. If you have a blog, and at least the minimum you can do is send them an email updating them about about your new content, and it's not nearly enough. Yes, you could try to use Aweber if you are already counting on upgrading very soon and starting to pay the $16 per month. Honestly, for what I know of other platforms, for using GetResponse for myself, for having used others before, I used Convertkit a few years ago. I used Mailchimp. I'm going to just compare a little bit what they offer, so you can see. So this is what Aweber gives us. So a subscriber limit of 500, 3,000 emails per month, only one list, and then we cannot segment, advanced reports, click and open automation. So we cannot create automations based on opens or clicks, website tracking, sales tracking, and custom branding. Okay, so let's see Mailchimp. Mailchimp, as it seems, they don't seem to have any limitation of email sending. Back when I used it, there was a limitation. Now you can have up to 2,000 contacts for free. One audience, which I imagine in Mailchimp, I don't imagine, I know. In Mailchimp, an audience is like a list, so you can have one list. You cannot divide it. You have the audience dashboard. You have tags, so you can tag them and you can segment them. Basic segmentation. I would have to have a look at that. So Mailchimp offers a lot more, but Mailchimp has always been known to offer to be the free email marketing platform. So let's see Convertkit, which is quite interesting that they've also introduced a free plan recently. So Convertkit offers 1,000 subscribers for free. They do not limit your email sending either. They do not limit your landing pages or forms. The traffic is unlimited. You can send broadcasts. You can tag subscribers. It seems that the integrations are limited. I don't know what this means exactly, but if you cannot integrate with a different platform for list building, then you would have to use only their landing pages. Let's go and have a look at Mailerlite, and here we have up to 1,000 subscribers for free, and it's limited to 12,000 emails per month. I mean, this one is way more realistic. I would say if we have 500 contacts, we could send almost one email per day, 24 emails per month, and it seems more than enough for me. Even though there's a limitation, it's not much of a limitation for a free plan. And that is it for the free platforms. So comparing to the others, I would say that Aweber is offering very little for free, very little. As for the paid plan, I love GetResponse. I've used GetResponse for years after using the other two, and I would have no reason to move over to Aweber from the free plan. So the free plan does not convince me to move over to Aweber. So if you're an Aweber person, or if you can see in this video any reason to subscribe to Aweber, you can find a link in the description below. So feel free to use it if you're into it. Personally, Aweber has not convinced me to, even if I were creating a new account, I would probably consider other options first. So make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see the reviews I will be doing of the other free options. I will review Convertkit's free plan, I will review Mailerlite's free plan, and maybe even Mailchimp. I'll go back to it. I will also be doing some tutorials for Aweber. If you want to know how to do anything in Aweber, you will find some tutorials in this channel. So make sure to subscribe. Once again, if this video was helpful in any way, just give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're a content creator and you're interested in earning more from the content you are creating, make sure to subscribe to this channel. That's what this channel is all about, and I will be talking a lot and teaching a lot about how to earn what you deserve from your content creation efforts. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.